and it was a very close competition and the tests were really very close. Hello guys.
Hello.
So welcome to a new series of our videos of blindfold challenges. So we do in the first episode we'll be having the blindfold challenge of the chips. For making the challenge more interesting, we chose the same texture. See, if you can see this and this will be having the same texture, so you cannot tell that this is Lay's or this is Parle. So it is going to be very difficult. And for the bowls also, we have selected 6 bowls of the same texture, so it is going to be very tough, guys. And we do have the sanitizer, so safety is first. So let's sanitize our hands first. So hi, hello, Hari Om, Namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Random Clips with Pranay.
Let's get into the challenge.
My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they help.
So we have done, we have placed every single chips packet in the bowl. So now the challenge begins.
Yeah.
So let's, and for this little bit of tang and changing twist, we do have happy peas for everyone. So let's keep it aside, and we can select it by doing the rock paper scissors challenge.
Rock, paper, scissor.
Rock paper scissors.
You will go first.
Okay, let's go.
My sleepless night.
Let's start.
তো এইখানে আরেকটা টাইমারের ব্যাপার আছে, মানে ইউ ক্যান নট টেক টু মাচ টাইম টু অ্যান্সার. So just we have be having 20 to 25 seconds for each bowl. So let's start.
Okay. This is your first one.
Okay, কোথায় রে? এই তো এটা. টমেটোর গন্ধ উঠছে.
এবারটা বলতে পারলে আরো ভালো।
কিছুই টেস্ট আসছে না তো.
তাহলে তো জিভ খারাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Time is getting over, bro.
এটা পারলে.
Sure.
এটা পারলে, এটা শিওর পারলে. লেজ খেয়েছি আমি.
Okay. We'll see next.
এটা কুরকুরে, নালে কুরকুরে কম্পিটিটরে কি ছিল? বিঙ্গো ট্রেনে মেরে, তাই তো? এটা এটা কুরকুরে.
আরেকবার ভেবে নে কিন্তু।
কুরকুরে এটা.
Sure.
Sure.
ঠিক আছে, আমরা পরে দেখছি ওটা। This is your third one.
Third one. এটা প্রাণ পটেটো. এটা শিওর প্রাণ পটেটো.
Sure.
একদম শিওর.
How can you be so sure?
এটার টেক্সচারটাই আলাদা. এটা তো প্রাণ পটেটো. এটা প্রাণ পটেটো শিওর. এটা খাইনি কোনো.
চলো।
এটা লেস.
This is your fifth one.
This one is the uncle chips. Damn sure.
Uncle na auntie ঠিক করে দেখ।
Uncle chips.
Uncle
chips.
Okay, we will see. Last one for you.
এটা বিঙ্গো টেড়ে মেড়ে.
Bingo টেড়ে মেড়ে।
হুম.
Okay.
বিঙ্গো টেড়ে মেড়ে.
So guys, Pranay have tested all the chips. Let's see.
Now it's time for Nirmallo.
Okay. Let's do it.
Hopefully you will guess the right and
Yeah, finger crossed.
take it. The first one.
I think it's Kurkure.
Bingo. Bingo. Tick
No,
correct.
no, it's Kurkure.
Tick correct. Are you sure?
Yeah, damn sure.
Ekdom.
Yes.
Now, second bowl. কি এটা?
It's Parleys.
ঠিক করে ভেবে না ভেবে না ঠিক করে
No, no, it's Lays.
ঠিক আছে
It's Lays.
চল থার্ড বাউল
Oh, this one is Uncle Chips. Damn sure. I bet on him. The prawn potato cracker, I think.
So, fifth one.
Bingo Teddy Made, I guess. Yeah, Bingo Teddy Made.
And the last one.
This one is a Parleys, I think. Yeah, Parleys.
So all the bowls are being tested. So now I will announce the result in just a second. So welcome back, guys. So after the challenge, the result is 6 out of 6 mine, and he is 6, and it was a very close competition, and the tests were really very close actually. And for the punishment, we do have shots, the tequila shots, but there is a twist again. It will be lemon. So he has
What?
to,
Lemon?
yes.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. So this is the lemon, and he has to take like 5 ml maybe. So let's cut it. Here is our knife. This much. এতটা
ভাই এটা কি করতেই হবে?
একদম এতটা ঠিক আছে।
খেতে দেবো তো?
একদম একবারে একবারে
Shit, man. I'm gonna having a water.
কেমন লাগছে ভাই? হেভি হেভি টেস্ট।
Heavy. একবার তুই খেয়ে দেখ।
আরে বাহানা লেবু হেভি খেতে আমি খাই ডেলি সকালবেলায়। So that's for the day, and if you wanna suggest us any good challenges,
Yeah.
any blind
Comment down below.
Comment down below. The comment section is free for you all. If you are watching this video till this point, do hit the
Like button.
and if you are new to my channel, subscribe it, hit the bell icon for further notification. Till then, take care.
Bye bye.
See you soon in my next videos. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye. And one more thing, behind the lens there is again Suvankar.
As usual.
As usual. So bye. Take care.
Times I have to keep on breathing.
না খেয়ে দেবো চল।
Ciao.
একবার লেবুটা ফেলেই দিল কি ছেলে।
Channel and hit the bell icon.
আরেকবার কর ভাই। সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।